All right, now we will be looking at the section that covers questions 13 to 16. Rewrite the function that models Nevada's population from item 4B, then write the function again, but replace x with the equivalent expression for x from item 10. So again, it says rewrite the expression from 4B. So that was y equals 170,377 parentheses 1.645 to the x power. But it says replace x with the equivalent expression for x from question number 12. So they want me to write it with n over 10 here instead of x. Number 14. Simplify to write the function in the form of y equals a times b to the n power. It says 170,377 times 1.645 to the n divided by 10 equals 170,377 times 1.645 to the 1/10th power raised to the n. Now, I want to reevaluate what is 1.645 raised to the 1 over 10 power. That is going to be 1.051. 1.051, and that is raised to the n power. Question 15. What is the approximate annual growth rate of Nevada's population, and how do you know? Well, remember that is the decimal portion of B. So in this case, the decimal portion is 0.51. So that is the approximate annual growth rate is 5.1%. Because remember, it was 0.051. Well, to change this to a decimal, I meant to a percent. We moved 2 places to the right. So 5.1%. Now, again, this is annual. Because remember, for the decade is 64.5%, I think it was. Yeah, 64.5%. Erase that decimal. To find the approximate population of Nevada in 2010, in 2013, what value should you use for n, and explain? Now remember, n is the number of years since 1950. N represents the number of years So we would take 2013 minus 1950. That gives me 63. So N should equal 63. Go ahead, make sure you get all of this copied down for this section, and then we'll move on to our debriefing question for this section, and then move on to the last sections of notes.